What is up, humanoids? I'm kind of trying to get back into the swing of things. We're going to dive into this CSEF Dunk Low right here. These things are 135 bucks. Fits pretty true to size. It is in Summit White, Black White, and it is in your Ivory Quick Strike box or your Sale Quick Strike box. We are starting our raffle for these tomorrow morning, which is Saturday the 26th, I believe. Just come by the shop, you can sign up, it's free. And then on actual release day, which is the 1st, we will have some pairs for our online release at 10 a.m. on BlueTileSC.com. 135 bucks, true to size, Nike SB, May 1st, BlueTileSC.com. Let's crack these open. Boom, you got your standard box paper here. And here are your dunks. It is graduation season, so having this little tassel on there for you to be graduated in your Dunk Lows by CSEF and Nike SB. These things look pretty dang awesome. The one thing I will point out is this is not a turn and stitch toe box, so you will need to super glue these bad boys right here so that this toe box doesn't split open. That said though, the toe box does have this like cool wear down to pink. Actually, the whole shoe kind of wears down to a pink under layer, which is supposed to look like a eraser. So pretty cool. You do have your lace protection down here. So that is one of the extra bonuses from the updated dunks that you do get, even though you don't get the turn and stitch. CSEF is an organization that provides scholarships for skateboarders to go to college. If you go to collegeskateboarding.com, you can get all the information there. So Nike partnered with CSEF to kind of spread the word of the organization so we can get more skateboarders in college. And you got that collegiate font Nike on the heel, which looks pretty awesome. The outsole is your updated outsole with extra tread and your Phylon midsole. But this whole thing looks like a pencil. So you got the yellow pencil with the green aluminum, I guess that's aluminum, the green metal eraser holder, and that's your eraser right there on the heel. So a lot of detail in this thing. I think this is really sick. It's kind of got the Scantron vibes, like you're taking your test. And then also, if you look closely, there's like a graph paper texture to this thing right here, or at least like a light color of graph paper right there, which is kind of cool. This is a little bit thinner tongue, but it does have some cool details with this University of Nike SB Skaters Teach the World. So that's a pretty cool inside tongue label. You've got these like yellow lace aglets to kind of signify being a pencil. And then also the chain link fence that's around all the skate spots. I mean, all the schoolyards. But there you go. It's like a pencil chain link fence. Nike SB Poron forefoot. Your Zoom Air pod right there is burning your graduation hat. What is that thing called? You do have memory foam heel pods in here, and also your tongue straps in this guy. So if you can see that. So you also do have two different skateboarders represented on the heel there. So that's pretty cool too. Boom. CSEF on one, Nike SB on the other. Looks pretty epic. Here's your eraser colored lace, kind of a pink eraser color, and then you have this like gray tip on this one as well. But the coolest lace of all is this pencil yellow, and then also you do have the metal aglet and the eraser tip on there, which is pretty dang cool. So that definitely makes it stand out. This insole has the CSEF branding on it, and then of course your Poron and your Zoom Air burning your cap on that thing. So boom, pretty cool, pretty epic. I think that's it, guys. I think these things are pretty sick. We hooked my friend Sanford up at Benedict College. He teaches over there. So if you're local and you see these, say what's up to Sanford. Compliment his kicks because he's going to be rocking these things. And we're trying to get a pair to Don Staley as well. So look out for that. I think that is it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Before we go, $135. They release May 1st, BlueTileSC.com. But locally, we are running our raffle starting tomorrow, Saturday the 26th. So I think that's it. Pay attention to Blue Tile SC on Instagram for all that release information. So we'll see you guys soon. See you in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile. And I think that's it. Is that it? We'll figure it out.